Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I ended up stopping at Ulta just to kind of browse and look, and I found, much to my surprise, that they doing their reset to put in the Urban Decay Kristen Leann palettes. Well, the whole line, essentially. This just happened to be the only one that I can get my hands on in store. And the lady actually had to go all the way to the back of the store to see if they had any in, and she brought two back. And I'm like, yes, one of those are mine. They are stunning. I played with them and I couldn't help myself, but I played with them a little bit and they are absolutely gorgeous. The payoff is phenomenal. Here it is. It is beautiful. Look at that. The colors are absolutely amazing. I figured we would do an eye look. Not necessarily a tutorial because I'm no makeup artist. We know that. I am an artist and self-taught artist at that. So I figured we can learn together. I mean, I've been doing my makeup for 20 years now, but whatever. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. And because we are kind of on this Urban Decay kick, I went ahead and did my base, as you can already tell. Used my all-nighter foundation, and my shade for the all-nighter foundation is 3.5. My all-nighter concealer in Fair Neutral. I went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my eyes with eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. So let's get into it. There's not really a transition shade, and because I was only able to buy this palette, I wasn't able to get the rest of the line, but I do have my Naked Heat palette, so I will just go ahead and take a transition shade straight out of here. I do want to mention though too that this palette came with its own brush, and it is so cute, and it's soft, man. It's like super soft. For a brush that comes in a palette, it is super soft. And one last thing, please don't mind my hair. I know it's like out to here, but I do this because when I get ready to go to work, it actually has volume and looks good, because I shave my head in the back. So this gives me a little shush, a little fluff. So don't come for me, please. So I think I'm gonna take Chaser out of the Naked Heat palette and use that as our transition color. I'm just gonna put it right here in the crease. Probably should have pinned my hair back, huh? You know, I seen Raw Beauty Christie talking about how much she loves her NYX blending brush. So, you know, a girl had to go buy it. That's actually one of the reasons why I went into Ulta. And I do have to say, this is a pretty good brush. So thank you, Raw Beauty Christie. All right, let's continue. I'm gonna take some of that orange color, the Tajin. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And I'm gonna go ahead and place that in our crease as well. Concentrating the majority of it on the outer corner. Like a dream. It's playing so good. Really? Alright, and I think I'm going to go ahead and try the little brush that came with this. I'm just going to use this side here. And I'm going to go into dye. the excess off. Now I'm gonna put this on the inner corner and kind of concentrate it as much as possible. Whoa, Nelly. And I'm just trying to stipple it in because I will come back and blend that out. So I went ahead and grabbed a more pointed blending brush so we can get more in depth in that crease. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and take dye again to more concentrate it more. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the dye and put it on the inner corner. I think we're gonna do a halo eye today. I'm just taking that pointed blending brush again and taking it through the crease. Wow, these are freaking amazing. The blending, oh, the blendability is phenomenal. I am loving this. This purple is like everything. Sorry, if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at the mirror I have here. So I apologize. Do you see this? Like, this purple is amazing. And I'm just going back in to kind of define it a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna take that blending brush, a pointed blending brush, and blend it out. Ever so lightly. Okay, and I'm gonna flick the purple out more on the outer V. Alright, I think I'm going to use this side of the brush and see how it performs. And I'm going to go back into that orange color, Tajin. I feel so bad if I'm saying that wrong. Sorry. Just kind of help to blend this out. I'm just taking a fluffy brush to kind of blend that all out together. Because we don't want no harsh lines. Wow. That is awesome. It looks awesome. It's blending really good. All right, now for the lid color. I think this green is amazing. So I think that's what we're gonna go with. I'm just gonna take some of this lime thyme on a flat brush, just like this. Wow. You know, honestly, I'm not one to use green, but this is an absolute gorgeous green. Wow. Yes, honey. God, that looks so good. Girl. Okay, so I'm gonna take that pointing brush again, just so it's not, there's no harsh edges. Harsh edges. Let me just say that again. Freaking amazing, dude. It's witchery, I tell you. I'm just kidding. All right, and I think that looks good. And for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna take TRM and LCW. So I'm gonna take the TRM and concentrate it more on towards the outer half of the eye on the bottom lash line. Ooh, baby. That's good. And then I'm going to take LCW on the inner part, most inner part of the lash line. Kind of like a gradient effect from a light to a dark. Wow. Okay, and for our inner tear ducts, we're going to take Brixton. Alright, and to buff out our lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and go back into the Naked Heat palette and take Chaser. Just kind of buff that out so there's no harsh lines. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to take Ounce out of the Naked Heat palette as well. Stick that just right here. I'm gonna go put on some lashes, mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. I went ahead and just popped on a pair of lashes from Miss Jass Beauty in the style Malibu. Awesome lash company. I don't know if you've never tried them, please check them out. I went ahead and also put a black liner in because I seemed like that would just pull the color, just show more vibrantly. My final thoughts on this palette. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It is an amazing palette. I didn't have any problem with any of the colors. They have so much color payoff. Phenomenal. I will be going to Ulta probably tomorrow after they finish setting up the display and buying the rest of this collection. It's amazing. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this look, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down below, please, and come hang out with us. I don't always do makeup tutorials, but I do makeup tutorials. I do vlogs sometimes. And if you want to, you can hit the notification bell. That way you know every time I upload. Alright guys, I had fun. I hope you did too. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.